Welcome to my podcast. Today, I want to talk about something very important. The title is The Devil's Mission to Destroy Man. Have you noticed the devil's mission on men? Have you seen how he's waging war against them worldwide? Many men are silently suffering from challenges that only few people acknowledge. They have been insulted, distrusted, and perceived as irresponsible. Men are dying in wars and incarceration. They face ridicule and shame. Many are jobless and hopeless. They are bullied, intimidated, and disrespected. In some places, men are treated as third-class citizens, ranking below women, children, and even pets. Men endure hardships they rarely speak about. They bottled up struggles too heavy to bear. When women face challenges, society expects men to step in and help. But when a man is in crisis, who will stand up for him? Are we even there to stand up for him? People often say, "Oh, be a man." How can a man be a man without support? Everyone needs help at some point in life. It is crucial that men receive the assistance and encouragement that they need. Today, many young men lack vision and direction. They feel lost, confused, and frustrated with life. Some become the subject of ridicule due to their struggles and mistakes. Without guidance, they fall into destructive patterns, bringing shame to themselves and their communities. We've seen this over and over again in the world, with so many increase in more and more young men falling into these negative situations. The world is full of crises: economic, social, marital, psychological, and emotional. Good jobs are scarce, and the future seems uncertain. Men face relentless pressure from families, partners, and endless financial responsibilities. The average man struggles his entire life, harboring stress and emotional burdens, sacrificing himself to make others happy while neglecting his own well-being. For many, the weight of life struggles has become unbearable. The devil's strategy is simple. He wants to destroy God's foundation on earth. So, he corrupts a man's mind and leads him into making poor choices. Then, frustration sets in. He starts misbehaving. That's the man. Perhaps he abuses his wife or girlfriend, engages in crime, or falls into addiction. Eventually, he is caught, imprisoned, and even killed if he committed a brutal crime or did something wrong. Maybe he killed people, then he's gonna be killed. He committed some, murder or armed robbery, all those, bad things. Some of these young men get into all these gangsters, smuggling drugs and all those things. You see, he avoids if he avoids crime. This is another strategy that the devil uses. If he avoids crime, the overwhelming pressures of life may drive him to take his own life. Recently, we have seen a troubling rise in male suicide due to societal pressures. Men are dying in wars. They are perishing in conflicts. When men disappear, families break apart. When families break, children go untrained. When children go untrained, criminals are raised. The very foundation that God established is being destroyed. That is the devil's plan. He seeks to ruin men, steal their vision, break their spirits, and strip them of hope and dignity. But now is the time for God's people to rise. It is time for the saints to intercede for men in prayers, to call upon the God of Israel to restore men, to reignite their visions and dreams, to revive their purpose and destiny. It is time for men to be restored to their rightful identity, value, and honor in the society. Recently, I watched a documentary about prisons in El Salvador. I was shocked to see hundreds of thousands of men behind bars. They were labeled as gang members who had committed terrible crimes. When some were interviewed, they expressed their deep regrets, saying they did not truly understand the weight of their actions at the time. But now, many of them face life sentences with little hope for redemption, unless a miracle happens. Some reveal they had joined gangs as early as 11 years old because they had no fathers, only their mothers. And then it became clear to me, this is exactly what the devil wants. He aims to destroy families by removing fathers, leaving boys untrained and vulnerable to crime. This is his ultimate agenda, to destroy men from childhood. But with our prayers and counsel, the devil has already lost. The Lord is ready to answer our prayers and grant us wisdom to counter the enemy's schemes. Together, I believe we will win this battle and put the devil to shame. God bless you. Read next, Engaging the Power of Prayer. You can watch this program on YouTube. If you found value in this post, kindly share with others. Thanks for your support. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at esoparentsofgod@gmail.com esoparentsofgod@gmail.com, and we arrange a call. Would you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, and knowledge in a book. Now it is easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookminds247@gmail.com. Get books on Amazon Books. Check out our website, Wordflix Publishers. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, email to contact at esoparentsofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out this post. Move Africa. Number 2, the danger of silence. Africa youth must rise. Number 3, democracy is a scam in Africa. Here is what works. Number 4, a wake-up call to all Africans and people of African descent. Number 5, Africa's nuclear weapon. Kindly drop your comments here, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.